Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word sectarian. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The conflict in the region was fueled by sectarian divisions between different religious groups. Sectarian relates to differences or conflicts between groups with distinct beliefs, often pertaining to religion, politics, or other divisive ideologies. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.